Today, I'm going to show you how to clean up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. A clean chart of accounts helps keep your reports clearer, reduces mistakes, and makes bookkeeping easier. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Transactions. Then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the list of accounts used in your company file. Take a moment to review the accounts. Look for duplicate or similar accounts, old accounts you no longer use, accounts with no activity, or accounts that were created by mistake. The simplest way to clean up accounts you do not need anymore is to make them inactive. Making an account inactive does not delete the account or remove its past transactions. It simply hides the account from your active list. To make an account inactive, check the box beside the account you want to clean up. Then click Batch Actions. Select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action. Click Yes, Make Inactive. The account will now be removed from your active chart of accounts list. Repeat the same process for any other accounts you no longer need to see. And that's how to clean up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online in 2026.